I'm honored to have been asked to be on a Facebook Live show called What's the Story with Maria, starring Maria Gentili. She has a segment called
Go ahead! Keep eating!
So I thought, go ahead, keep creating dishes. So I made one especially for Maria. For Maria Gentili, it's Maria Gentili, Italian chili. Wonderful Maria Gentili of What's the Story with Maria. I've created a dish for her. It is Maria Gentili, Italian chili.
I love it.
She always has a cooking segment on her show, so I thought I would make something special because I'm going to be a guest on her show tonight, which is exciting.
Right after this. And Annette, first of all, thank you. I'm so flattered and I can't wait. What the heck is going on there?
Sausage, baby.
Oh my God, this is delicious. This is so good. Annette, thank you so much. Right after this, we're gonna film my show, What's the Story with Maria.
You're gonna have a link to that. Don't worry, you've gotta see this show. She's awesome.
She's awesome.
Kitchenette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.